Hey guys, it's Mr.Amor here, and it's good to see you guys again. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I'll be showing you guys some fun science experiments and activities you can do right at home. I have this book, handy dandy, 365 simple science experiments you can do every day with everyday materials right here. I know that we're at home, but it's gonna be okay because I have a special treat for you, and I'm gonna show you I'm gonna show you some activities you can do here at home. And the first activity that we're gonna do is using lemons. We're gonna make invisible ink using lemons, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. So what we're gonna be using today, our fruit's called lemons. If you don't have any lemons, that's okay. I'm really curious to see what types of other fruits will work with this experiment. Lemons have a lot of citric acid in it, so other fruits that have citric acid are oranges. Oranges also have citric acid. You can look. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be using lemons, but if you have different types of fruit, let me know, and try doing this experiment with different fruits and see if the results ends up the same. So I put the invisible ink directions up here. Feel free to pause the video if you need to, but it says invisible ink science with Mr.Amor. So you will need half a lemon, saucer or bowl, water, teaspoon, cotton swab or Q-tip, white paper, and lamp. And the procedures are on the right. Make sure you have your parents' assistance as well, and also, this will be fun for you guys to do together or to show your parents what you learned today. So right here is my setup for my science experiment, and I hope you enjoy it. Lemons. So first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna squeeze your lemons. Squeeze it in. Then you're gonna get your water. I have my teaspoon. Pour some water in there. Dip it in. Mix it. Here you made a solution. And then the fun part is you're gonna get your cotton swab. And you're gonna just dip it in. This is where you're gonna do this is where you get to write your message. So you're gonna write your message. You're gonna get your paper. You're gonna get your paper. You're gonna dip it in. You're gonna write your message on here. So I give this about maybe 5-10 minutes until your picture is gone, until your picture is invisible. Hey, since while we wait for our experiment to dry, let's read this article about lemons. So the title here is More Than Lemonade. With a little ingenuity, you can turn an ordinary lemon into invisible ink, cleaning fluid, a rocket tester, rocket launcher, and a wet cell. About the lemons. The lemons probably came to us from India. The small thorn branch lemon tree was first planted in the United States during the California gold rush of 1849 to fight scurvy among the prospectors. Lemon juice will remove rust, ink, and mildew stains. Oil from the lemon skin is used to flavor extracts, perfumes, cosmetics, and furniture polish. Lemon juice is the main source of citric acid, which is used in textile printing to keep the fabric clear of rust stains from machinery. That's pretty interesting. I did not know that. So if you look below, you see the experiment 28 is invisible ink. So this is the experiment that I did today. I'm just gonna show this to you, and you guys can read it to yourselves. This can be your independent reading time, but feel free to read it, and then I'm gonna explain why this happens. So we read a little bit, I hope you did too. So right now, it's been about 10 minutes for me at least, and my secret message is pretty dry. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna hold it near a lamp for a few minutes and we're gonna see what happens. These compounds you can't really see. They dissolve in water, so they're nearly colorless. But once you get them hot and heated, they should turn a different color. Hopefully brown or kind of black. But we'll see how our experiment does. So after 10 minutes, I'll hold it up. So after 10 minutes, you can sort of see this. You can see it brown over here. The brown. See this detail. So we're scientists and we do these things, we experiment all the time and we do trials all the time, and my invisible ink, you can kind of see it, but it's a little, still a little clear. So maybe if we add some other stuff to it, we can probably see it. It kind of looks like wax. So when I think of wax, I think of you can put food coloring and see, hopefully it might pop up. So let's see, we're gonna try another thing with our experiment, because science. So my hypothesis is if I put water and food coloring into this mix, then hopefully my invisible message may pop up more. Right now it's kind of clear still. You can still sort of see the brown spots and you can kind of see the outline of my invisible message. But I'm gonna see if we add some water and food coloring. I'm going to see if my hypothesis is correct. Science rocks. There you go. Leave any comments and messages below, and I can't wait to see y'all's results. Have a great day, and I will be making a new video. Stay safe and have fun with your families, and keep on reading.